Welcome back to another Coffee Chat with Nick. I'm your host, Nick Kalogeromitros. Okay, hot topic these days, work-life balance. How do we achieve it? How does it happen? What does it look like from the employee's perspective? What does it look like from the business owner's perspective? Okay, I'll tell you a little bit of both. From the business owner's perspective, the small business owner, not a lot of it, right? I'll be quite honest with you. The business owner lives an unbalanced life so that maybe the employees and the staff live a balanced life. Let me explain. You ever walked into a restaurant, doesn't matter what type, and you see the husband in the back, the wife in the front, hostessing, waiting tables, taking the orders. You see the kids in the corner doing the homework, right, for a little bit, as they're running their dinner shift. Why? Because that's what they want to do. That's their passion. They want to make money for the family and serve the community in the food industry, okay? Well, that obviously there's a little bit of sacrifice, right? You have to put in the effort, the time, the sacrifice to create a profitable and a growing company. And so we do that, and there's extra hours involved so that obviously the staff can take a couple of days off. They can rest. Now listen, as a business owner, you need time off as well. I get it. I'm not saying we don't take days off, but I think obviously the employee comes first. That's very important when it comes to time for payroll, right? And cash flow wasn't good that week. Guess who's getting paid first before the ownership? The employee is. We can't do it without the employee. We need the proper team to run the business, and they always come first. And that's one of our biggest responsibilities, is to make sure our staff, everybody, has their money, has their paycheck, their lives are running smoothly, and we take the sacrifice. And so just a little perspective, work-life balance from the business owner, from the employee, and just continue to go out there and make it happen and be part of the organization. And you know what? Everybody will grow. Everybody will benefit from that effort. So we'll see you guys in the next episode.